Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Audiolab. You click on settings, then in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Audiolab. In this page of app and file you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to this page of storage. In this window you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.